Good morning everybody. So today I decided to vlog because I'm currently on October half term. I work in a school, so I also have a week off. I've got plans later this week, so I thought I would just film a few clips from throughout my week. Now today I am obviously wearing makeup. Sorry, I've had my earphone in. Because I only wear makeup for a reason. I am filming a few videos today, so I've got my bullet journal for November to film, and what else am I filming? Another video that you will see in November. I don't know, sometime after this video. So yes, that is the main plan for today. I spent yesterday just tidying up the house. I did a load of cleaning. That's about it. I've just finished getting ready. Very natural well, I say natural, it's not very natural, is it? So I've finished filming now. I'm just tidying up the mess of the aftermath of filming, which is always the worst part of filming a video. And if you do watch my video, you will see how I absolutely rave. Oh, I've never said what it is. You'll find out. It's about lipsticks. I absolutely rave about my lipstick that I'm wearing now, and that is MAC Lipintensity in Dough. I rave about it in this video. Like, I think I literally talk about it for about 4 minutes straight, which for a lipstick is quite a while. So, yes. And this one is an absolute trooper. Look at him. He's so good. Like, whenever I first start filming, he absolutely pesters me because he's like, who are you talking to? Why are you talking? Are you talking to me? And he gets all excited. And then he eventually comes down and he sleeps on that pink rug all the time. It's like his favourite little spot in here, in my dressing room. There's some Christmas presents already. So yeah, at the start of the video he actually nudges and moves my tripod. So he's a right little rascal, but... what am I doing now? So, second video of the day down. I'm sat in front of my window, that's why you can hardly see me. Second video of the day down. I have done my bullet journal and it has taken me about a good hour, maybe and a half. This is my setup, so I have to have my tripod with this arm so the camera can sit facing downwards. And then I've got here the bullet journal and all of my supplies that I use. So I don't even have my phone on me right now. I don't even know what time it is. Troy has been at my feet the whole time. He's very supportive, bless him. So I think, fingers crossed, it might be dinner time. It's 12:48, so yes, I'd say so. I'm also watching the telly's on. Sorry about that. And I think I could use, actually, I've got an energy drink, I think I'll be having an energy drink because I am tired now after sitting and doing that for ages. 2 videos filmed in a day, and I think that's it for filming for today. Fingers crossed. Now I've just got to edit like the worst 2 videos you could possibly edit. So it's been a few hours. You can tell I've not spoke for a while because I've just got a croaky voice. Yes, it has been a few hours. I just thought I would update you and see what I'm doing. I've just accidentally messaged my sister about Christmas, completely forgetting she's away at the minute. I think she's in Italy. My sister goes away quite a lot and I never know where she goes. Sorry Amy if you're watching. Yeah, so I've just accidentally messaged her, completely forgetting, and then I suddenly thought, no, but I need to know, because I'm just sorting Christmas out at the minute and trying to budget and things. I'm also planning a video because, as I've said, we're off to IKEA on Friday, and I was thinking of doing a styling video, IKEA styling and tips. So I'm just currently writing some stuff down and planning, because a lot of the stuff we're getting for the house is to update the house, so a lot of the styling tips are for shelving, because I'm getting a shelving unit for in here, 2 shelves, picture ledges are going up on the wall, Me and Anthony last night was talking about going out tonight, and we said no because we've not got much money. I've literally got 20 quid to my name until payday. And I just messaged him like, but I'm bored, he's at work at the minute. I'm like, can we go out tonight? He's not messaging me back yet, so I don't know. But when I put makeup on, it's like I said, it needs to be for a reason. So now that I've got makeup on, we should go out. And I have not left the house in 2 days, so call actually, he finishes actually in 2 hours, so not that long. He's not replying, so I might call him and let him know, because he's usually home by 5 and the shops are open till 8, so yeah. Alright, see you later, love you, bye. Who's your dog? Oh, 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 oh. He's so cute. It's so hard to get pictures of him in clips because he's so black, like you can't even see. He does need a haircut at the minute, you can't see his eyes. Try. What's this? What's this? Oh, oh. Thank you for my kisses. He's so cute. Yes, me and Anthony are going out and I need to go and get ready because he'll be on his way home soon. Yeah, he'll be on his way home soon, so I need to go get ready. I'm like on the verge of crying. Is anybody else watching Strangers on, it's on ITV. I've just watched last night's episode 7. Oh, I love shows that make me do this. Oh my god, it's so... it's such a good show. Oh my god, what's it just done? If you watch it, you know what I'm on about. Try. Thank you for trying to make me feel better. Oh no. I don't want to watch next week's episode. Oh, you make it better. You make it up better, don't you? He likes to give kisses like this all the time, don't you? Hey? Oh yeah. He loves kisses. Try. Give me a kiss. Okay, moving on. So I thought I'd show you quickly what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the same jumper that I've been wearing all day. It is from ASOS. My bag is New Look and my jeans are also ASOS. So I thought I'd just quickly show you what I was wearing. Yeah, it's pretty basic to say. We're going out for like maybe an hour tops. So we don't even really know what we're doing. Might get tea out, might not. What are you doing there? Oh. Look who I'm joined with. He's had a long day at work. How was work?
Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Found him.
Customer waiting, thank you.
We're in Dunelm now trying to find, I don't really know actually what we're trying to find now. What we're trying to find? Rug. A rug apparently. That we can't even afford at the moment, so I don't know why we're looking. Next stop is Matalan for the homeware. Who's it for?
Try.
Are you sure it's not for you?
No.
Oh, no, I don't like that sound. There's too much Christmas stuff. I don't want Christmas stuff. What? today's Friday and today is the going out day of the week. We are going to Leeds today to go to IKEA. I'm ready, and as usual Anthony is not, so I've got this one with me, like I said, by my feet again. As you've seen, I've already been busy this morning doing some stuff, editing some of yesterday's videos, and now I'm just waiting for him to be ready. So everything I'm wearing today is ASOS, apart from my cardigan, which is Primark. Even my belt is ASOS today. First stop, Homesense. Look at that blue. We need a blue cushion. Well, Homesense was very unsuccessful. I was trying to look for one of those planters with the stands. They seem to be really in fashion at the minute, but they've just put in all the Christmas stuff out and it's like covered in Christmas stuff the whole downstairs, so there wasn't anything there that was actually wanting. So now we are going on to IKEA. So we are home now, and I've just filmed the IKEA haul. It is like at 20 to 5. The sun, I've literally just quickly got to do it before the sun set, because as you can see it's very bright outside as the sun is setting. And I've made quite a mess in here now, and I think this is the worst part of filming. One of the plants that we bought was laid down in the bag and it's put mud everywhere and everything. So this is what I'm trying to deal with. I've got a tripod, plants everywhere in here, and a bag full of mud. And like I said, this one loves the pink rug. I've now got this one and I get to put everything away now. So that definitely has to be the best bit of the IKEA. So I'm liking all the greenery. I really am. I think I need more greenery now. I like the greenery, like it looks nice, doesn't it? It looks just so peaceful. And anyway, my battery's still full after today's vlogging and just filming a main video. Right, I'm gonna go and get Anthony to help put these shelves up then now. There it is, there's the first one, and the candle from DESENIO. They look quite nice there, dangling down around the bath. There's an overview. So Anthony's just working on putting up the second shelf, and I have just sorted the pictures. We'll wait for him, it's alright. So I've done my pictures and put them in the frames that we bought today, and I just need Anthony to hurry up now so I can put them on the shelves. So I completely forgot to finish off the vlog on, what day was it? Friday. And it's been the weekend, it's now Monday, and I'm editing it and realised I haven't finished the video. So apologies for that. Here I am saying that I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching.